Here's a bombshell for the tech investment world. Morgan Stanley, one of the globe's financial titans, has quietly planted its flag in the quantum computing arena by disclosing a 7% stake in IonQ. But here's where it gets controversial. Is this a vote of confidence in quantum's future, or a speculative gamble or a field still riddled with technical challenges? Let's dive in. In a recent SEC filing, Morgan Stanley Investment Management, MSIM, revealed it holds 18.4 million shares of IonQ, equivalent to roughly 7% of the company's float. This move places IonQ, a pioneer in trapped ion quantum systems, squarely within the portfolios of one of the world's largest institutional investors. And this is the part most people miss. IonQ isn't alone in attracting big-name backers. Earlier this year, Amazon disclosed a $36.7 million stake, further cementing the company's growing institutional appeal. Why does this matter? Quantum computing is still in its infancy, but the influx of institutional investors like Morgan Stanley and Amazon suggests a shift from pure research to potential commercial viability. These heavyweights aren't just throwing money at a sci-fi concept. They're betting on quantum's ability to revolutionize industries like logistics, material science, and artificial intelligence. But let's be clear. The technology is far from mature. Quantum systems are error-prone and difficult to scale, making this investment a high-risk, high-reward play. IonQ, founded in 2015 and publicly listed in 2021, is no stranger to innovation. Its latest machines, the IonQ Forte and Forte Enterprise, boast 36 algorithmic qubits, a modest number by quantum standards, but enough to tackle specialized optimization and simulation problems. The real game-changer, however, is their upcoming Tempo series, which promises to leapfrog current capabilities and compete with classical supercomputers. If successful, Tempo could be the linchpin that transforms quantum from a lab curiosity into a commercial powerhouse. But here's the kicker. While IonQ's roadmap is ambitious, it's also a long-term bet. CEO Niccolo de Masi, appointed in February, faces the daunting task of scaling the company's technology and sharpening its commercial strategy in a field where breakthroughs are measured in decades, not quarters. Meanwhile, Morgan Stanley's entry into the quantum investment camp underscores a broader trend. Despite the technical hurdles, quantum computing has emerged as a legitimate investment theme. Institutional investors are diversifying their portfolios, taking small but strategic stakes in emerging technologies that could pay off handsomely if the sector delivers. So, what does this mean for the future? Is quantum computing on the cusp of a breakthrough, or are investors getting ahead of themselves? Morgan Stanley's move signals cautious optimism, but the real test lies in IonQ's ability to turn scientific promise into tangible results. As the company continues to raise capital and push the boundaries of its technology, one thing is certain: the quantum race is heating up, and the world is watching. What do you think? Is Morgan Stanley's investment a smart bet on the future, or a risky gamble on unproven technology? Let us know in the comments. We'd love to hear your take on this polarizing topic.